I'm having technical difficulties. Couldn't upload this on my other phone, so I'm going to try to record it again. I only have 3 minutes. I just wanted to show you my 23andMe DNA test results. This is unedited. 84.8% West African, L2A1A, maternal haplogroup. Paternal haplogroup, I'm going to have to get my brother to take a test in order to get those results. Your DNA family, that's how many relatives I have in the system. And my uncle was on there. He came up as my second cousin, but they list your uncle, your grandparents, your siblings, whatever, under second cousin, first or second cousin, because they can't really tell which ones are, they can't really tell specifics into how they're related to you. So you do have an option to change that on there. So I did change the relationship to uncle and Neanderthal 48 variants, which is very low. The variants go up to about 300, over 300. I'm sorry that this is very fuzzy, but I hope you guys can see it. I have that covered up because it has my name, and then it has 100%. But I'm 86.3% Sub-Saharan African, West African 84.8%, Central and South African 0.6%, broadly Sub-Saharan African 0.9%. I found the weird thing is that I don't have East African in this DNA, where the other one of the two, I did have East African. So moving on, I'm 12% European, Northwestern European, I'm 9.5. Trying to focus, 9.5. British and Irish, I do have a Irish Scottish name, so that's 4.9%. Scandinavian, 0.1%, less than 0.1%. So as you can see, this is what's going on. I'm tired of talking. Oops, shoot, because I touched it. So as you can see, this is my European. I have no idea where those are from, but it's very small. Then on Ancestry, I didn't get any Asian. GEDmatch, I got Asian, but this is my Asian 0.1%. Less than 0.1% for Middle Eastern, North African. Yeah, so this is what's been going on with me. I'm running out of time, so there you have it. And thank you for watching. Have a great day.